Guys, good morning. This Twins Poultry Farm. You can see these birds. They are 16 days today. So you can see. Actually, I've been so impressed with their performance because if, if you look at them very well, you discover that all of them they are very active. So what you just need to do is for you to be taking note of it. There are times that I'm always consistently checking their excretion to make sure that they are very much okay. So you can see all of them they are very healthy. Most of them they have eaten and drink their water already. That is why they are just hanging around the corner, looking for a place to just relax themselves. So you can see all of them, they are very active. They are doing well. They are very strong. You can see. I'm so happy. I'm so impressed with their performance. You can see them. They are just 14 days. They are just 16 days, sorry. You can see. You can see them. You can see them.